Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in this group, guys. And coming to the present content, here we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from the 6 plus government universities, and here the 314 plus vacancies are there from multiple departments. And here there is opportunities for the PG or non-UGC net or UGC net or the PhD candidates, and a few posts are permanent and a few posts are comes under the contract basis. So let us see the details regarding this notification. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, here in the Still Outlook website, we got this article that more than 8 government universities are recruiting the faculty post, okay, that you may check down here. So in this video, I will just say you the list of the universities and the number of vacancies as well as the closing date. So based upon that one, you may visit the official website of these universities, okay. So in my upcoming videos, you will get the in detail notification and the complete details regarding the each and every university here. Fine. So here the first one is the University of Budva. The closing date is 1st March 2021 and 49 vacancies are there. And the next one is Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University, Gandhinagar. The last date is 7th Feb 2021. Next one is Himachal Pradesh University. So its closing date was already over. Next, Alia University, Kolkata, 26th Feb 2021, 65 vacancies are there. And next, Ghani Khan Chowdhury Institute of Engineering and Technology, Malda, 10th March 2021 is the last date and 20 faculty positions are there. And next one is ASCI, Administrative Staff College of India, Hyderabad, 10th Feb 2021 is the last date. And next one, Siddharth University, Kapilavastu, 17th Feb 2021 is the last date and total 45 faculty positions are there. And next one is Hansraj College, University of Delhi. So here the 65 assistant professor vacancies are there. Right? So these are the list of government universities where the faculty positions are open, guys. And here the multiple departments are there, and few colleges are announcing the permanent post and few are announcing the contractual basis, and few are providing the UGC pay scale and few are providing the consolidated amount, okay, per month. Okay, so here there will be opportunity for the PG candidates and UGC NET as well as the PhD and non-UGC NET candidates also. So to get the details, okay, you may wait for my next videos, or else you may go through the individual website of these universities and check for the careers blog and then go through the notification in detail. Okay. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.